Yeah, I want to see the open have a big push. If we get a big enough push, we might be able to come up here because there's chances that we might not go that high. So I'm always going to watch out for the next closest area. We'll clear all these highs, tap into this order block, and maybe continue lower. But I'm going to wait till we create like a solid low so I can pull my fib from this London low, London high to here. I'm going to see where that 38.20% level is going to be around. But around there, I'm thinking, yeah, that 580, 600 area. Yeah, we got 600 right here. And then maybe around 5. I don't know. Put it right in here. Then we got 500. That's what price is currently trading at. So that's what I think is going to try to keep price above. And we also cleared the previous day's low to the left. So I can see us have a push, even if it's just a short-term push. But only time will tell, right? I do this shit with no pressure. But now, what y'all boys, what y'all thinking?
I got the same idea.
Yeah,
Solid, solid.
bro, I've been waiting Bears, bro, for so fucking long.
Yeah, right now I'm just kind of.
Bro, this shit is definitely gonna sell, bro. On the 4 hour, it's right on my 62 fib projection.
Yeah, the only thing that will kind of flip.
Looking more like a continuation.
That's what I'm saying. Like, more than likely we are gonna continue bearish. My thing is we just might not get a retracement at all, if any, because you know how it would be when it's trending. That shit, dicking.
It's been 50% retracing a lot recently.
Mm-hmm.
Which is not.
And I don't
I
like
would say
taking
if we
those.
don't get the full retrace up into like the 7-9 area, that OB that you have marked up right there, I would see if we manipulate that and then push back down lower if we don't get the full retracement.
Yeah, it's definitely possible. We're just gonna have to watch out for it.
That order block is like gonna be that area to get in.
You said the order block.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. That this might be a good area. That's what I'm saying. Because we might not have a big ass retracement, but I'm gonna see how we react and what time we come to that area if we do. If it's around maybe 10 o'clock, that will be solid. But if it's around say 11, I'm probably just gonna call it a day. It's cool. It might play out, but I'll just save the risk for Thursday where we might have a bigger move, and I'll at least have today's price action to kind of guess where we're more likely to push.
Low key, we could push up to 13,680 area.
they're gonna come out of nowhere with the low key.
Shit, we gonna see, man. Right now, we just being patient though. Ain't shit to do yet. Is it the open? We got like 4 minutes still.
I got enemies. Got a lot of enemies. Got a lot of people trying to drain me on my energy. They're trying to take away from the nigga.
Okay, that might be a vibe.
Oh, pop up this 1 o'clock. This one. Keep buying. Just make sure you don't keep track of it all.
So I could post the video from yesterday.
Hey yo, bro, what's the word on Sheba, bro?
I don't know. I don't be paying attention to that.
Sheba?
I wish.
Bro, Sheba low as a bitch. I was looking at this shit
Bro,
yesterday.
look in the Ripple, bro. Fuck Sheba.
XPR, yeah, I'm no XPR gonna blow.
XRP. Because,
I mean
bro, they
XRP,
lost
yeah.
to finish up soon, bro. And you know that price, what do you mean?
Say it again, bro.
Their lawsuit's finna finish up soon. Unless the SEC decides they want to delay that shit again and appeal it. But
It's
if
gonna be
they
another
appeal it,
year.
I would say
gonna
they've been
appeal
fighting
it.
that shit for like 2 years, man.
Bro, they have because they're trying to tell the court that Ripple's a security, but whole time they're a crypto. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, shit,
Word.
that's why fucking blockchain was created.
Now y'all can keep talking. I have it so the stream can hear y'all now, so I'll be back.
Yeah, but nah, the whole reason that shit is taking forever, bro, and the reason the Ripple price hasn't shot up yet is because they've been stagnating that bitch, bro, like a motherfucker. they don't want to release the emails either that they sent them. The SEC, they don't want to release them because they know damn well in them emails they told them niggas that they not a fucking security. They just wasting time because they know that shit finna blow up.
Yeah, that do make a lot of sense. No cat. That might really be the fucking way to XIP.
Go up to like $20.
Nah, niggas are saying 4 digits, bro.
A band, throw a band on that bitch, and let that bitch rock.
Bro, just think about it like this, bro. If that shit ever hit 4 digits, bro, niggas came up, bro. I'm up like 500K. Off like 2 beans, bro. You feel me? Like, to me, bro, it's a stupid risk to reward to not even try it. You know what I'm saying?
Facts. That is a fact. Just
Like,
gotta get my
risk
positioning
you're
right for
putting
that
into
XIP
it.
because I want to
You
be in
lost
all
way
the
more money than that doing way dumber shit. You feel me? I think for like 200 XRP tokens right now, it's like $200, bro. Or for 500 XRP, it's $200.
Shit, my homie's dad got over 500,000 XRP. That shit's ridiculous.
That nigga finna be rich, bro. Like that
Dropped
shit is
the dummy bag on that.
bro. And it's like I forget which bank released it, but under the digital currency tab, XRP was one of the main Johns. I think it was Wells Fargo.
I want to say XRP might be the new Bitcoin. Though.
Bitcoin, shit like Bitcoin and Ethereum, bro, they're about to die out because USDT is finna crash, and that's what Bitcoin is backed by.
Facts.
I've been trying to educate myself on the crypto market a little bit, bro, because there's so much money to be made there. I'd be stupid to just ignore it.
The way I look at it is,
It is, bro. We
It's
really was
literally
on
like
that
a
shit
whole
2
new
years
market.
ago, bro. Crypto would have been smashed.
the way I look at it is like, if you really wanted to hold something, why don't you hold what you're day trading? That's how I look at it.
You said what about day trading and holding?
Hold what you're day trading, because you're gonna know that better than anything, and it's gonna have the same
Oh, no,
opportunities.
That do make a lot of sense.
Because it's gonna have the same opportunities. The markets all move the same. The same moves that are gonna happen on crypto is gonna happen on the lower time frame tomorrow morning. So it's like, that's how I look at it. So that's why I don't really be caring for crypto. The only thing I would say I care for is maybe Ethereum, because that's just something I can put to the side that I don't really worry about.
Moving, no cat.
But that's something I kind of trust though. The way I look at crypto is, us as day traders, we don't really got to worry about the crypto because we have our own thing that we worry about. We already have the opportunities. I say crypto is better for people that aren't trading it on like a daily or weekly basis. Something that's going to be more reliable long term for them. You get what I'm saying?
Nah,
that's how I look at it.
wouldn't even recommend trading crypto because that shit is really like, it's not institutionally like moving.
Nah, I say it does. I say it still does though. And if you really watch it on the intraday basis, it moves very similar. It do, especially because it's still with the dollar. It's still paired because it's paired with the. Because mind you, it's still paired with the dollar too.
Probably delayed for real. That crypto should be slow.
At the end of the day, bro, a lot of the market, all these charts move the same. They might look a little different, but that's why you just gotta take the time. If you took the same time that you took to learn NAS on crypto, you'd be same thing. You know, you just gotta take the time to learn individually.
I don't even feel like that's necessary though. Like you just gotta do research behind it.
See, that's where you're wrong though. That's where you're wrong though, bro. Because why aren't you doing that with NAS?
No, what are you talking about?
You get what I'm saying? It's the same thing, bro. You're just trading something different.
Is way more volatile.
Crypto's volatile. They're both volatile.
Not as much as these indices.
Think about
bro.
it. Think about it. You're trading fundamentally for crypto, but you're trading using the charts.
I'm not trading crypto. I'm not trading crypto.
You just said do the research. All right, I get what you're saying.
Yeah,
but you was talking about Ripple.
I'm holding the crypto. It's not like I'm getting in and out.
I feel you.
Hey, what y'all
did some research on XRP, you would see, bro.
Nah, I could just look at the chart. No, cool.
You will understand where I'm coming from.
I hear you. I don't need no fundamentals. Look, I could have looked at the news right now. They probably pushed this shit up, but it's cool. I need that, bro. The chart's all you need. I stand by that.
Facts. The trend is your friend.
Facts, Andre, bro. Facts though. The chart is all you need.
All you need. Like, yeah, the fundamentals might help it.
You can do anything with any pair.
The fundamentals might sway it, but at the end of the day, a lot of the numbers are already like in a lot of the time. So it's like the news is always delayed.
determined. Yeah.
With the,
It's
you
so
know.
If you
funny because a
understand the
lot of
order
people be
flow, you
asking.
got this, man.
You said what?
If you understand the order flow and stuff, you got this.
Yeah. Just price overall, just how it's moving, just the algorithm, just how it targets prices, liquidity. You know, it's just
People
all.
always look at me crazy when I say I don't use indicators.
Facts, bro.
You say
All
when you don't what?
facts.
When I tell them I don't use indicators. I'm like, what
Yeah.
the fuck?
Yeah, you don't really need to. The indicator's
Actually, I
already.
think
It's just going off of what you already have. And I remember Jenner, he was like, "Nah, bro." I was talking to him about it for a while.
that shit out.
I was like, "Listen, bro, do what you gotta do." I come back to me
I
like
used
when
to
you
use
get
the
rid of them.
John, and he used to get on my ass about it.
I'm like, bro, it's telling you like, cause mind you, like, I
Just
get.
for the liquidity.
Yeah, he was like, "Oh, where's the liquidity? Oh, we overbought. Fuck that shit, bro. Fuck that."
Yeah,
Cause
he
mind
always
you,
used to be like,
like all the indicators is doing is going off of the price action that's already there. There's only two things that make this chart: time and price. That's all it knows. It knows nothing else. Time and price. That's the only thing it's going off of. If you look at the chart, it's literally just a chart at what time this whatever you're trading is at a certain price at that time. That's all it is. The indicator is not no magic. It's just going off of math and numbers. That you could just look at the chart and get the same shit. It's just all about actually taking the time to then see how it does it, because you're not going to do it at once. It takes time at the end of the day. That's why
'Cause
when
your
you first
eyes
start
is your
trading,
best
you're like, how do I do
indicator,
it? Yeah, your eyes are your indicators. Indicators are for people that don't know what they're reading. That's really what it is.
Nah,
Lucky I
for
couldn't
real.
say pussies.
Niggas can't
Nah,
tell me otherwise either.
It's like, yeah,
I learned how to read it, bro, and I took that shit right off the chart.
yeah, it's like you don't need it no more. Like, yeah, I guess it's like crutches, I guess. It helps you in the beginning while you're learning. So then at some point you can get rid of them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't hate on them. Everyone takes their time. That's why with Jen, I was like, listen, do what you gotta do, bro.
Nah, he did get on my ass with that shit. Bro.
Now I would get on his ass every time he would mention it with me. Oh yeah, then I would say something, but I won't like go out my way. Yo, get rid of them. Get rid of them. He'll be like,
would,
nah,
I'd be like,
he'll be like, I'm using
it
this
was
right
the
now.
RSI, I think. It was
He was
the
like, yeah. He was
RSI.
like, I'm gonna check the RSI. I'm like, bro. All right.
Nah, okay, he's so tight.
Watching that Jeremy Cash too much.
Bro, Jeremy Cass, he's a menace, bro. Going back at looking at his videos, bro, he's a menace. I don't know. Ooh, he's crazy. He should be banned, bro. He should be banned.
Oh, he a country nigga.
Yeah, country.
Bro, that's just bad, bro. I went back and like I really realized after going on, what was he teaching me, bro?
Niggas be smacking shit, nigga.
Nah,
Hey,
I-
I'm
he's
from the country.
I don't know what he is. He's not a country. He's a different breed, bro. Like what he's teaching is crazy to me. Like now looking back at it, bro, he will teach you to go on the daily candlestick and buy and sell. Just on the daily candlestick. It's just that.
Bro, I'm about to start leaving
Yo.
comments on niggas' videos, bro.
Real shit. All right, hold on. We're kind of pushing. Let me see. If I were to get in at this area, what would the stop loss look like? Or should I wait for the 600 area? I think 600 might be good with this volatility right now.
That's more ideal.
Because right now, it looks like we're pushing. If we keep this volume, we should be at 600 in no time.
It do with this value, it do.
So I don't know if I want to cop in that early. If I miss a continuation, then it might be better off. If it's really that like
I'm
volatile.
still rocking up with my sales though, bro.
Yeah, you're looking for where 580 you said 530.
Yeah, I'm in at 530. That just went to 540.
Oh, you're still
You
selling.
came
Okay.
back.
Yeah, if you're in, I would keep holding. Yeah, you good then. The only thing for you is just if you're break even.
I see it though. If it break 550, I'm out that shit. Cause I'm knowing it's just gonna.
Yeah,
Put it
like it
around, I can
depends
sell
where
it
your
high.
entry is. Like if you still want to make something, because you don't want to get stopped out on the retracement, and then that shit just keeps falling.
Oh, he started talking crazy. He talked about
Back on a
back
dirty.
on the dirty 30.
I go into sometimes. You know what I'm saying? But you know, sometimes it's just not worth it.
He say he going in and out.
Like, look
He
at
got a
this.
day.
Like, look, this ain't even clear the previous day's low. Like, what you doing, bro? What you doing? See, I can't. Not today, US 30. Yesterday was your day.
Yeah, facts.
And you sold.
She gonna shake though. I can see that shit. She gonna
Like,
shake.
see, look, Nash looks better. Nash cleared the low. It makes sense to go higher. You know what I'm saying? It's good to choose. That's why you got to have a variety of girls. You know what I'm saying? You got to pick. Sometimes you want this one. Sometimes you want this one. Sometimes you want nothing. And you just go out go somewhere else.
I just like playing the game.
Just playing the game.
Facts and man. I can't wait to quit my job. That shit was
bro.
fire this
Quit
morning.
that shit today, gang. Quit that shit today. Tell them
Nah,
niggas, fuck
you nigga, I ain't quitting that shit today, but
Nah, don't quit until
try
like
to bring your dreams to reality quick, gang. That
shit. Cause the
Nah,
thing is
need
with a
that
job,
shit.
there's
Nah,
nothing wrong with a
got you.
job. Like at the end of the day, if I was working a job right now, I'll be making even more. So it's like I'll just have less time.
Facts.
It just
Hustle.
depends what you want to do with your time. Because at the end of the day, once you leave your job, you might not really make as much as you were making right away because you had more incomes. But now you have more time, so you can start more stuff. So now that it may take a little bit longer for you to get back to that money, but it's gonna go faster than what it was before.
Get right.
My
Get right. Talk to me, naive.
cars, I think it is. I should have made all the money I invested back into it.
You said what? Your cars?
By my first 3 cars, after I tipped my first 3 cars, I should have made all the bread I put into it.
So that's good, though. Should be. I don't really know how business model works, but
Nah, so basically the tint film, once we start buying the wholesale film, like the whole roll, that shit's gonna get a lot cheaper because it's like $230 for 100 feet, and we're charging $200 a car. So we're gonna make the tint film on 1 car, and then we could probably tint like 5-6 more cars just with that roll. So it's gonna get sturdy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then we found a little storage unit space we could work out of. They're charging like $300 a month, but that we're gonna see how that works out first. We're not trying to rush into that. You feel me?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah, let's
We're
take it
gonna-
one step at a time.
Yeah, they gave us a good deal for the first month and a half. It's like $201, and that's not bad. So we're gonna see how it works. You know what I'm saying? Because we can't tint outside.
No, you
It's
can't.
the only thing.
Oh, that's why they be doing this. Where are you gonna tint it?
We're looking in storage units right now. And if that doesn't work out, there's these blow up carports that we could use.
Okay. I feel you. Damn, what we doing now?
That's what I'm saying. Why is she playing with us? Why is she going back down like that?
Yeah, she playing hard, bros. No cap.
Yeah, she's. It looks like I said, that continuation I was talking about.
Yeah,
So,
facts. 30%.
look, didn't even come there. Didn't even come there.
Right.
I mean, it's the 500 level. It's gonna be volatile. I just gotta give it till 10. Could even consolidate till then if it wants to go higher. But from the looks of it,
Could keep pushing a bit higher though.
That's what I'm saying. Just gotta give it some time. Even if it stays in this area, could come clear this low, then go higher. We'll see. After like 10, 10:30, if it's still like really bearish,
Oh, that shit going. Like,
yeah, we'll see how it does this low. If it keeps pushing past here, then I'll probably just leave. Ain't really much else to look for. Oh yeah, ran that low.
that was a hard push.
Yeah, it did a similar thing to yesterday. Just ran up, cleared these highs right here. It just came lower. We'll see how low it goes. So like, damn, bro. Dude, these continuation days, like they're pretty obvious.
430 gang. 430. I'm going in for them bags, man. I think we still gonna end up at 600 today.
Shit,
Because
if you in sells from 5 something, I would just leave it at that, bro. If it gets that low, just leave a runner on the sells. Don't even try to buy. That would be bearish as fuck.
I'm gonna try to take my profit and probably just because if I take the profit and let's say I get it one bag and it don't go in, then I'm still in profit throughout the day. But if I hold my sales and that shit go back up, I'm gonna be kind of upset.
Why risk it? So
why exactly? Why risk it? Why not take the profit and secure it?
That's what I'm saying. Take the profit, but I'm saying don't go for another buy. Just leave a runner.
Hey,
I didn't go for another buy. I just went for a sell. My plan of the day. I said I want to go from 540 to 430, from 430 back to 600. Those was the plays today for me.
Damn, that's a big move.
Why specifically the 30 and 40 level?
That's a big move you expecting, my boy. You said 430 to 600.
530 to 430, only 100 points, gang. And you got to think about it. Like you said, we're bearish. They can go down another 100 and push that shit up 150, 160, 200 points. Like it's nice.
Yep.
And it's Wednesday.
No, I don't think it's gonna go that high though. Just look at on the daily. That shit.
Yeah, nah, I think right now the bias is flipping. Like we're moving out of that
Yeah,
sell
like it's
side
starting to.
or we're
I
moving out
think
of that.
it'll come down to 300, 300, 200 probably. Maybe
Don't
not
be
now, but
cautious though,
maybe
because if this
next
shit
week.
ripped through 370, I definitely swing that fucking stop loss. No cap.
Yeah, from the looks of it, they just want this shit to go lower. I wouldn't expect any pullbacks anytime soon. If it does, it probably won't be
There's a
till
lot of
FMC.
liquidity to. A lot of liquidity.
Shit break even right
Facts. This shit could really just die. Like,
Just,
I don't
it
see
has news
anywhere
later
really.
too, so just gotta.
Damn, 12,500. That's it. Looking like the 12,500 is like the last good real area that we could probably push down to.
You said 12,500, 13.
I was just scrolling all the way through the 15.
now. My stop was almost hit. No cap. That shit right here.
Shit, you good now? Yeah, this is like it's just gonna
Definitely
keep
do that shit.
bearish. I don't think there's really much else for me to look at right now. Only thing I would look for right now is probably a buy, but even then, there's nowhere good area to even buy, so it's kind of there ain't shit to do.
yeah, they might. Yeah.
The trades it does.
I've been trading like every day. I don't have to. I've been tweaking.
Nah, you don't gotta trade every day. Just be on the charts at least.
Yeah,
Unless you
every
don't,
day.
unless
No,
you
that's
can't.
fact.
The only times I really don't look at the
10,000
charts
out.
is if I can't.
It's really just training your eyes and make sure you're seeing the same things over and over.
Yeah. Just definitely do some chart work today before I go to work. Fuck that place. I'm about to start lowering my days. I'm about to just start working 2 days a week there.
Yeah, look how we're reacting to slow.
Hey, bro, I didn't even know we That's how you know I don't even be looking at the whole fucking charts at the time. I didn't even know we touched 13,700, bro.
Yeah, it was yesterday. That's what I'm saying. That's why I think we're
Gotta
gonna
stay
keep
on the
going bearish.
time frame when you top on.
Cause
Yeah,
look,
that
if you
was my
see
TP from yesterday.
if you see
No kids, I
13,700,
thought we was still around 13,650, 670 type shit. So now for real, I had 13,700 the number like a month or two ago for the real sales. Like this shit might dump for real.
that's what I was saying,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm
I
with
still
you,
want
man.
another retest out there so I can get in at the numbers though.
That's why I was telling you I
Fuck.
think it's gonna fall. Cause I was looking at base off higher time frame.
Yeah, it's falling, bro. It mitigated some daily FUG. I'm gonna
Nah, I
send
thought
you
we gotta go
the
higher. That whole wick right there that you at right now. That wick gotta get filled.
I think it'll go higher, but like I said, it's not gonna be a deep retracement if it does go higher. I ain't even betting. I'll
I think
wait
it's
for
gonna be
maybe
a
like a bullish
decision making
engulfing.
right now.
I'll
If we
make
gonna be in a bearish market or a bull market, it's got to be like an
if we
area.
push above 500 again and maybe create a bullish engulfing and close bullish. I might wait for a retracement of that next candle, maybe back down to 500, so I could try to go long. If we close as like a bullish engulfing, if we close the bullish engulfing above 500, that's what I would like to see.
We have more people in the live today.
Uh, he is locked out. I think he'll be back, but yeah, we got like one or two more. Some days people be here, some days they not. People get shit. People like me, remember if they're working, it's hard.
Hey, bro, you gonna see me here, bro. That's all I gotta say.
Shit.
I fuck with the squad trading. All bounce our ideas off each other.
And that's kind of why I like.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's so true, dogs. You always got to see the other perspective of someone else's.
Yeah.
You know.
Shit, that's why I be doing the mentorship with the lives, because you can learn a lot when you do that shit every single day. Until I start that, I'm just doing it for free, though. I don't even care.
My videos, bro. He's content, Andre.
You said what?
My man started watching your like beginner type videos. He's fucking with the content.
That's what I like to hear, man.
Yeah, bro.
Tell them if you gonna do it, just keep watching, man. Because they can start now, but if they don't continue, it's not gonna matter. Just wasted all their time and just got me some views for nothing.
Nah, I try to stay away. They hate.
But yeah, Cal, if you, I don't know, you heard what I said. I said if we push bullish engulfing and maybe close back above 500 somehow in the next whenever after clearing all these lows, if we push close above 500, I'll probably wait for the next candle, maybe retrace back into 500 to go long there. But until I get a bullish engulfing or something from here, I don't think I'm gonna take anything. I think that would be valid because, like I said, we cleared all these lows. This could end up being the low of the week for all I know. You never really know. And we're extremely bearish. I can't really make sense of any sells unless we have a retracement, at least to up here, minimal.
Yeah, not that order block
Minimal.
is the move.
So any sells from there, any lower, invalid.
Yeah.
If not that
Counter
order
trend trading.
And even
grab
that
liquidity.
even that buy is gonna be risky. I'm gonna have to low risk that.
It would be risky, but it would be like one of those moves like you would just run for X amount of points.
Like you would expect this to be a retracement. You wouldn't expect it to be a reversal. You just got to make sense of a stop loss to make sure you can at least get out here. Like worst case scenario.
I'd say scalp the buy up and then long term look to sell.
Them niggas trying to farm the market.
You said what?
So y'all farming the market.
bro, I be saying that sometimes. I don't know if y'all ever played the game Destiny.
For 7 years.
I don't know if y'all ever played the game Destiny. Y'all ever played Destiny?
Yeah, bro.
I love that shit. You know, like the glimmer, how you can like get it in like XP and you can like farm shit. Just keep doing it and get a whole bunch. That's how I be feeling sometimes.
Bro, that's how we gotta
like GTA.
Farm the fuck out this bitch. I think of it in terms of Clash of Clans. Niggas used to farm the bread up. They used to put their town hall outside their fucking base, and then they used to put all their bread in the middle. That's the news, that shit, though. Give us that engulfing. Come on.
What you watching, the 5 minute?
I'm just staying on the 15 because I know the lower time frame is probably killed right now. Like, I don't even, like, let me see. Let me look at that 5.
I don't even.
Whoa there, 1 minute. What's going on? Back to 15. At least a 15, it'll give me more confirmation. Like if we close 15-minute bullish, it's a good sign, and I have to watch 15 fucking candles in my face and stress me out. You know?
2 minute will be straight to watch.
No, I can't, bro. Let me see.
Oh, I think I've ever used
2 minute. Yeah, it's about the same shit. You're crazy. It's just half the candles now. I can't. There's some days I can look at lower time frame. Then some days, like trending days, I'm not even gonna bother because I'm gonna get clapped up, especially if I'm trying to catch a counter trend trade. Yeah, look at that. I'm cool.
Nah, y'all different.
That was a short. Nah, there ain't no fair value gap.
Ain't no way it's not gone. I always say that shit, but there's always a way. But like, I feel like it's def gotta go and grab those highs at least before it pushes lower.
Oh yeah, there's definitely some liquidity to be grabbed, especially London at least.
Yeah,
we got that high of the day right after Asia.
Like right now, I see this as manipulation.
Yeah,
that's why.
We got this, I forgot we got Fed speaking. That's probably FOMC. Let me see.
Even if it just retests into that order block right there, right above the low of the day, low of the previous day, you know what I'm saying?
I'm just giving this 15-minute candle. It really depends how these next two close. I'd say it depends how this one closes going into the 10. But even like going into 10:30, we might see something. But we still got 8 minutes on this candle. A lot can happen in 8 minutes, so we'll see what happens. I ain't really stressing nothing at this point. It's not looking like I'm gonna take a trade today.
Looking at the weekly, low key, we look like we could still possibly push bullish.
Weekly, yeah, everything's extremely bullish. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know how this should be. When it does its thing, it does its thing. When it doesn't, it doesn't. When it wants to push, go push.
It's time for a retrace, though.
Yeah, yeah. I think this week might be that candle. The weekly, there is room to the upside still, but even if it does, I don't think it's gonna push bullish. It
We'll
just
get a
might be a
little
move.
pullback first.
We'll just like, yeah, it'll just be a push higher, not a push. Yeah. 13,358 is coming.
Damn. When we all touch an M, we gotta go fly out to an island or some shit for a celebration.
All inclusive. I'm down.
Shit. Nah, we gotta go bigger than that.
Bigger.
You don't want to bigger than renting an island, nigga? What the fuck?
Yeah, renting an island's probably not even that much for what? Multiple millionaires?
Right. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, it's not
we can
that.
handle that.
Nah, we gotta rent a mega yacht, $200 million yacht.
Mega yachts be hitting.
$200 million yacht, and then take it for a month.
Right.
That's
He
about
talking take
right.
it for a month.
We gonna take that joint across the ocean.
What they doing out there on the firm?
They talking
We
about
living, bro. When you got a yacht that big, bro, you could live on there. You're not gonna. You could live.
I said that's like my ideal situation.
FBA is the new Wall Street Academy.
Oh
Bro.
yeah, it's gonna be FBA capital around the boat.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be better than Wall Street Academy, bro. Watch.
Jordan Belfort ain't met a nigga like me.
Hey yo,
I'll put him to sleep.
Nah, that nigga's tough though, bro.
Nah, he not tough. He not tough enough.
Bro, they took all his bread away. He still became a millionaire. Bro.
I would have become a billionaire.
They sent that nigga to prison, bro. Got out, gave him no bread. He still got that shit back. They couldn't stop him.
It's all about knowledge. I feel like anyone that makes money could do that, in my opinion. If you really know how to make money, anybody could do that. It's only the people that don't know how to make the money that lose it all and they can't make it back.
I was about to say, it'd be the people who the machine makes them the money, and then when they don't got the machine no more, they can't make the money.
Yeah, like if you're the one who really built your business, you're gonna be able to do it regardless. That's why if you learn trading, if you go broke, and look, I told you 8 minutes is a long time.
Literally, you can always create it out of nothing.
How long? How deep is this? If I were to go short at 500. That's about 35 points for a potential 60. I need a 30-point stop then, minimum. All right, I'm going to see. Because if we keep pushing like this, there might be a chance we can keep engulfing on the 15-minute, and I might just wait for that retest. So I might end up having a 30-point stop once we keep pushing anticipation that we're going to run this high. And once we run this high, I'm going to be break even, no less. And I'm going to ideally be targeting this order block. I'm going to look to take my partial somewhere around here if we can make it up there. But we'll see how this next. You said what?
You're taking the buy?
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till we close on this candle, and I'll wait for a retest on the next one. If I miss the move, it's cool, but I'm not about to hop in and just.
You're scared, bro. Just wait for the sell.
You said what, bro? We might not even get a sell.
You don't think?
Never
It'll
know, bro.
probably be a slow manipulated.
For all we know, it could run this. For all I know, it could run this high and keep going lower.
It's
just
not going lower. To win.
But that's what I said. Like that was the most probable move after it made that next down candle. Like that's what I'm thinking it would happen. Like it's either that high and then grabs that
liquidity.
Like we gotta go touch some valley lows if we want to go out there though.
Listen, the only thing is, I at least can guess that after clearing the previous day's lows, that we might have a push. I'm not really gonna be able to figure out if it's gonna be this area, this area. At least I know that after clearing these lows, there's a higher chance. And we had an engulfing. What, bro? After I said so, yeah. Fuck sells. Counter trend. Yeah. Be the opposite.
You said counter trend. Yeah.
That previous day high and low is definitely clutch.
That's what I'm saying. Like I want to see it sell too, but I don't know where it's gonna be, and I don't want to take multiple different trades. At least I could bet at 500. I might have a better chance. You know what I'm saying?
We're just trying to hear something. I'm okay.
And keep in mind, look at what time it is. There you go too. 10 o'clock, my boy.
It kind of did already make a sell move, so it could, if it holds this low, it definitely could just.
Now I wait for my retracement. Oh yeah, Limo, he be on some shit. He be getting in. Jesus, he be counter trending more than me. He be
counter trending all the time, and he be snapping.
He a menace. He better than me. I give him that with that counter trend. Sometimes I need confirmation.
I mean, if it works for him, shit, it works.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like he got it. Couldn't be me.
I don't know why he.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 500, and I'm gonna take the chance. I think we got about 2 minutes until this 15 closes. Yeah, we all did closing engulfing. Not a full engulfing, but that's multiple candle engulfing at 10 o'clock after clearing the previous day's lows, I think we'll at least get a retracement to at least
Yeah.
That next
560,
15-minute candle
540.
can come straight back down, bro.
Bro,
Yeah, it
I can
can.
see it.
And
Yeah.
I ain't saying that shit because I
I was-
just
The
want
only
to see
thing
Sebo
is
saying
if
that
it
shit,
runs this
'cause, like,
low, if it runs this low again, we're more like gonna keep going and we're
it's
just
a
gonna
lot of
drop,
wicks.
drop. We're gonna drop, drop.
I know we all see it on wicks right there. It's a lot of wicks.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm waiting for the engulfing. I'm not getting it until we close.
Those are a lot of wicks to be.
Shit, you
Right
think
next
those
to
a
each
lot of
other.
wicks? You gotta go to gold. That's just
Yeah,
devious.
I think that
Gold is a very liquid pair, bro.
Gold,
is it.
be-
Look at gold like a long, long time ago.
Gold is just Wick City.
Yeah, watching the 1 minute. Yeah, it's really kind of ranging right now.
It is in a big range. It's because the 500 level. It's a big figure level.
But if gold going down, our market going up, vice versa. That's one thing I learned.
I want to see it touch them lows. That's how we can have a potential reverse today for the model.
Oh yeah, look, 15 is about to engulf this whole thing. If it engulfs all of this, I'm waiting for the retracement. I don't know when it'll be. Might not even get it because from looks of it, could keep pushing if it really wants to. But once we close in 1 minute, that's gonna be a pretty solid reason for me to try to go long. Because if you look at the 30-minute too, 1 hour, yeah, I can see it. Not a long-term move though, like I'm saying.
We're gonna see what this 10 o'clock counter do.
I'm trying to catch that hold because I feel like if we sell off from this point, it's gonna be a good hold.
Yeah, but I ain't even in nothing, so ain't nothing for me to hold.
I'm looking at this shit like we retesting the 930 candle, so it's not even a 930 candle off this 5 minute. This is 935. 930 candle, they did retest it. They made a new low. Came back 50%. They
Have that liquidity
respected it.
out,
Came
they
back,
fuck-
retested, respected it. Oh shit. Looking at it now, shit.
What's US 30 doing? US 30 is trying to
just need
push
a
too.
fucking-
Oh,
just
US
need
is
a
rejecting
fucking-
34,000.
Right in the ham route. Right in the fucking ham route.
Why is it rejecting 34,000? Why would you do that?
Right in the
US 30?
fucking ham route. That's what we
over
need.
here. So why is it rejected 34,000?
Why would you do
That
that?
shit to the pip too.
Like that doesn't look good. Now that
30 look like it's gonna push.
it looks like it might push, but now that the 34,000 is above price, that could be its retracement. Not what I wanted to see. Now I don't know if I should enter. Now we have second thoughts. Ain't that some shit?
But that's how the market be, bro. You gotta adapt that on the fly.
Yeah, because I wanted to check it. Because if 34,000 would say like this, that would have made me way more. I would have been like, okay, makes sense. But nah, it wants to be above. Crazy. All right, should I get in at 500? We kind of engulfed, but we didn't.
Sell that shit, gang.
Nah, I ain't selling. You're crazy. You are crazy.
Niggas I ain't selling.
If you're in a sell, you're good. But anyone that's not in a sell, all right, I'm gonna take the sell. It is what it is. Stop loss going down there. If it runs that low, I'm gone. One and done.
Y'all got that.
Shit.
It's gonna run out.
I can't make sense of any sells. I can't make sense of any sells.
I don't know if it's ready just yet.
Hey,
I mean,
man.
but for real, you can at least, if you was to sell it, because you seen how it reject, you can at least throw your hat when that high just made at 544 type shit, and just hope for the
I have
downside.
trade
We
history.
got 460. We in like a whole 80-point range right now. Once we break all the low of the high, it's expected to go ahead and trend. We made this low. We came back and retested, and it's within this 10 o'clock. I mean, it and we touched 13,700.
We'll see what's up. If I take the L, like I said, one and done.
What are you
And just
for a
looking
buy?
off like the lower time frames and shit, 13,430 seemed like a more reasonable area to buy.
430?
back up.
Shit, if it
Yeah,
goes
for the
down there,
buy,
yeah, I can't. I like the big figure level. Like 430, it could, but I trust these big figure levels, and especially where we are in price. Like even though it could, I'm just gonna trust that after clearing both these days,
Even with the
there'll be a higher
big figure
chance of
levels,
having a
like let's say
retracement.
that you don't go to like let's say it was 13,500, right? You was looking for the buys, 13,500. I realized like a lot of times it's gonna show us the proof there, but they still end up sweeping down to like 13,470, 13. You feel me? Like it end up going like 30 points from that big figure level. So that's why I'm like with the number I'm at. Cause it might go goddamn 400 like flat.
I hear what he's saying. I experienced
Nah, I
that shit
could.
too.
But like I said, if it keeps going lower, there's more likely not gonna do shit. So I'll cool with taking
Might
the
go
risk on
400
it.
flat where I need to be at
That
430.
low,
Now I'm
like
in Jordan on 30 pips and then just go ahead and
if he gets stopped out before it goes higher, I probably wouldn't take a trade either.
That's what I'm saying. Like if this goes any lower, then it doesn't really make sense for me to do anything. Cause it cleared both lows. If it really comes down again, it's gonna likely, like he said, probably go to like 430. Keep going lower like that. But like I said, I'm thinking this is gonna be a retracement candle. We still got 11
Yeah, like
minutes. 500.
literally, like a little bit under his TP is where I'm trying to get in. Like,
Yeah, so that's cool. It works out both ways. That's what I'm saying. I get out, you get in, we good.
Throw your fib on that high to that low.
Oh, what, the candle?
Yeah, it look like it's 50%, right?
No, it's probably
That is
deeper.
rejecting that.
Yeah, look deeper. I figured I was just looking at this candle here that I wanted to go into. See, look, almost played out.
I'm fibbing it from the
Almost.
top of that order block down to the bottom of that like down candle where the circle is on my screen.
Hey, yo, my mouse died. Shit, crazy.
That shit happened to me on Valorant, bro. It was detrimental.
Damn. What am I supposed to do?
You don't got the cord? You can't just plug it in?
It's plugged into my camera. Hold on, bro.
He said, I won't need it.
Oh, all right, I found one. All right, we good. We Gucci. Come on, mouse. I was like, bro, what's going on? My shit died. And mind you, I don't have a mouse that I move with my hand. I just move my thumb. Oh, does this not fit? Oh, I almost broke it, bro. Oh, there we go.
So we agreed though, Mega Yacht, that's what we done.
Yeah.
Mega yacht.
Mega Yacht when we all hit a milli.
Ooh,
It's looking pretty good right now so far. We'll see.
Yeah, no cat. The way that shit holding up, I'm seeing and I'm already knowing what they about to do, bro.
oh, still
They
waiting.
about to give a whole lot of disappointed bears in this chat. Now, if that shit was to just reverse like how I want to do now and just go there, then I'd be a lot more happy because I don't want to close out my trade right now.
Oh,
But
you're
then again, it's like
bro.
I'm not
Where's
going
your
to
sell
break
at?
even.
Where's your sell at?
My sell is at hold on, 540.
540, so up by the order block.
Yeah, it's at the top of that wick before we came down.
You're good, bro. Honestly, I'd hold it.
Yeah, I got like another 15,
Stop.
20 points.
Just stop above the order block.
Nah, I ain't even. I got my stop at break even right now, but I ain't even. If it even looks like it want to like go, I'm gonna just close it and take like 100.
It might stop you, but you ain't. That's a no trade.
Yeah, I'm out.
You would have to get in. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't going.
All right, I'm back. I don't know. Mine might be drawn, but hey, slowly working out, my boys.
Yeah, you're in profit, bro.
TP1, break
Honestly,
even. We good.
I break even that motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm gonna just let it do what it do. Worst comes to worst, I make nothing.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's okay to get in trades like
No
that.
kids, I close my shit.
Handle now, just do what it do.
Well, yeah, hey, you closed it, but you were in profit too, weren't you? You were in way higher.
He was break even as well, though. So like,
regardless, bro, we took the opportunities that were given. I could still lose this trade. It could come right back and retest 500. Stop my ass out.
I would be so ass, bro. Like I would like it to just go up. Shit. That way we could all be up. You know what I'm saying? Like
you telling me, bro? You telling me? Shit. I wish. Look at this already.
Your TP1 is the top of that wick right there.
Nah, it was a little bit less. Okay. And we already retested. Part of me doesn't even want to break even yet.
Yeah, I'm getting back in my sales, bro.
Part of me doesn't even want to.
This don't make sense to me, bro.
I think it's gonna go higher than that.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for another drawback up.
Yeah, I'm gonna just what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep my stop loss the same. I'm gonna wait till we get away from this 500 area. It's too tight of a range in this consolidation.
Too risky.
Fuck that. Cause I'm not gonna take the chance, bro. Where this comes down, wicks into 500. and just keeps going, and I'm gonna be sick. So I'm gonna just move it back
Yeah.
to where it was. Worst comes to
Lord
worst, I already
knows
took
that
the
shit.
risk. I ain't risk free no
Many-
more, but I'll wait. I'm cool. Once we break this high, at least there I'll break even. If it comes back lower, then it is what it is. I'll let it break even.
You be using MT5, Andre?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't use 4 no more after being on MT5.
The only thing I like about 4 is that you could go like more into the future. The chart like it cuts off right there.
Yeah.
Really
You know what it is? Look on US 30 now. We're right at 34 fucking thousand. Makes sense, man. Makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. So you should keep pushing us.
Money.
Just
US
'cause.
30 grabbed that liquidity, so I assume Nas was.
Yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait. Type
What
of thing.
do you looking to sell at 34 or was you buying at 34? I just looked at you at 30.
I think it's more than likely gonna start falling from 34.
Yeah.
Shit, like I ain't gonna lie. This is just like it seems like we in that 2020 motion. Like the sales is always short lived, and then like the Bulls come take over like at some point in the day.
Yeah, it's summertime too. I don't think summertime much.
Yeah. Wait, bro.
Yeah, I was reading something like a few months. They was like July was one of the most historical bullish month. That's why I was so bullish
back to
for
500.
July, bro, when it was around 11K.
And it's crazy because our economy is supposed to be doing shitty, right?
Shitty as hell, right? It's crazy.
Crazy.
The niggas be making that shit sound great though.
Yeah, this shit is wild. We'll see if it holds 500 though.
He
If it
said
don't,
this shit is wild.
No kizzy. I mean, it could still hold. I'm in the same position I was earlier. But if it runs the low, then that's a different story. But hey, if it runs the low, then I'm done. It is what it is.
I think they playing with us, bro. That's all it is. They just manipulating like a bitch. They like, all right.
It's like they're doing two different things. US 30, US 30 looks like it wants to go lower, and then NAS is like looks like it want to push a little bit higher. It's giving me mixed signals.
Oh my god, what I closed? See, bro.
Hey man,
That shit, bro. Like,
If it's in blue, it's all on you.
I'm gonna just stick to the 15. Nah, that's facts. Once it's in profit, it's all up to you, man.
Blue is on you, man.
That's why I don't wait. I take partials and profits at certain areas, no matter what.
See red, if you can't see red, you ain't willing to make bread. Stop playing.
On God, let them know.
Nah, that's why I changed mine to black. I don't see red.
That nigga said I changed my shit.
I don't see red. Red hurts your head, bro. Red makes you sad.
I have to get that shit up.
Nah, I gotta see red, bro. I gotta see
red.
Red. Black and gray or black and...
Yeah, I don't like red because when you see red, it's like your heart.
It make me appreciate the blue, bro.
I like seeing blue and I like seeing black because black is just like nothing. So it's like I kind of when it goes down.
Hey, bro, why you
I'm
talking
like,
so down on our color, yo? We more than nothing, bro. What you talking about?
All right, gray, I guess. Opaque black.
All right, bro.
Opaque black.
Using the gray as the buy candle and the black as the down candle.
Nah, no cap. You know what?
That's probably a crazy chart, no cap.
Here,
how you change your background to like white though?
Appearance, and then go to background. Here we go. This is more like it.
Oh my gosh, you fuck.
Where are we going? Yeah, I need some color. When it's all black, bro, it's too much. Too much.
If you trade blue symbols, bro, you're crazy.
Then yeah, we're retracing. It's only 3 minutes left.
Sales would have been a play though.
Yeah, probably.
I'm waiting for the play. That shit don't even want to happen.
Oh,
that shit gone. Yeah, 34,000. I knew it, bro. 34,000. 34,000. You were devious. You have disappointed me. US 30. I ain't even trade you and you sold.
Hey yo.
All right, yeah, I just took my. Rest in pieces.
I wanted to see.
That's not what. It is what it is. Like I said, continuation. I took the risk. It is what it is. And stop me out so I could leave. Just stop me out.
It's all good, bro.
Yeah, that'll be hard. That'll be a hard cash and like take a picture with a pista. Like if you ever get a pista, and then put RIP, rest in
It's,
pizza, pista.
Oh,
we
man.
still got
Sorry.
15 minutes for that 10:30 too, y'all.
I'm cool. Fuck this. I'm out.
Another thing I noticed, like around 10:30, it seemed like they already be having their loads placed for the day.
Damn, I should have left it break even, but it was too volatile. It hit TP and then automatically came back down. It wasn't really worth breaking even. It is what it is. What's today? Tuesday? No, today's Wednesday.
Still push.
Yeah, it's just on some shit now.
That's just.
Do these Zooms have any stream delay?
I'm not sure.
I don't think so.
Pretty much like a second off, like on a party chat. You know what I mean?
It might. Damn, why you gotta do this, Nas? It's always you. But yeah, that's a continuation. They could still end up ranging, but at this point, I'm just cool. It could end up pushing later on, but I don't think it's worth it for me waiting here.
I'm really surprised you took a trade in the range.
Cause I got it on the engulfing though. I thought the engulfing at 10 o'clock would be enough to push it, but it wasn't.
Yeah, I would have waited for that break up there that you had marked up first.
Yeah, but I thought once we came here, we were probably gonna tap here, and at that point, we probably wouldn't even got that buy. Yeah, it is what it is. That shit going.
Okay.
Yeah, US 30. Look, that 34,000. I knew 34,000 was gonna have something to do with this.
Or why has the 30 looks so much better?
It just retraced. That's all it was. But even then, US 30 never even.
Hey, we gonna get it. We gonna get it back with the Bass. No cap. I really see a good move, bro. This shit moving, bro. But it's moving in a small range. We bust out this consolidation on the Bulls, bro. We can go right back to 700.
Yeah, US 30 still ain't clear to.
If not today, at least by Friday.
So I think we're gonna keep going lower on US 30. US 30 has to go at least to 800, in my opinion.
I don't know if that's my mic or that's your mic.
What? The dog?
I can't even hear niggas, bro.
Nah, that's probably your headset. Or your phone.
Yeah, niggas just ain't talking.
Nah,
we here, bro.
I'm here. I'm just watching.
No, I just wanted to make sure my shit was right. I hear y'all though.
Yeah, this is bearish. It just did similar to what it did yesterday. 930 came up, cleared some short-term lows, and then dropped. It is what it is. I journaled it.
Go to 430 on your chart, on your NAS chart.
A clock or a price?
And it is FOMC today too, so ain't no telling what could happen. I'm gonna keep telling.
Telling you, this 430 gonna hold, guy.
I'll leave it. If it holds, it holds. But I ain't taking a trade on it.
I'm going with numbers that I woke up with.
Hey.
The sales and then the buys.
Let me see if I go here.
I had a lot of confidence for these numbers today. These special numbers.
Where's here? Let me see. What's last week's low? Maybe it might come a little bit lower, but I guess that area there's a chance.
Yeah.
I don't know if
that's what I was thinking. I was like, shit, I fuck around getting 430. It'll go down to like 400 to that level.
Nah, that is a good level though.
Yeah, it's too deep for me though, especially to be buying midday. Yeah, I'm cool. But nah, I'll talk to y'all boys. Y'all boys be safe.
Like, just think about like how the week opened up, bro. We're moving. We're looking for an actual low.
Shit, maybe. But all I know is my time to go. So y'all boys be safe.
Safe, bro.
All right, Bruce. I'm gonna talk to y'all.
Peace.
But our stream, we out. Ain't take a dub today, but it is what it is. Can't win them all. But with that being said, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. We took one loss. Just gonna call it a day. We'll be back tomorrow. Like I said, everyone be safe, stay productive.